Hi students, good morning to all. Dear students, in your 8th standard, chapter number 11, mensuration is there. Dear students, the mensuration chapter is based on only geometry. In the geometry, you learn about more concepts in your basic concept in geometry. For example, lines, angles, triangles, and also plane surfaces, polygons, and also many concepts are here. The mensuration is called, you can study about the 0 dimension to 3 dimensional figures. We can calculate the area and also calculate the value. Just like mensuration is that. Okay, you know about all basic things in the only polygons. The polygons means the definition of polygon means the polygon is a plane surface. It's bounded by more than 3 sides is called polygons. More than 3 sides is called polygons. Otherwise, more than 2 sides is also polygon. Only 3 sides, that is triangle is there. Only 3 sides, that is triangle. Next one also here in the quadrilateral. There are so many types of quadrilaterals are here. The one is the rectangle and squares and parallelogram, trapezium, diamond and kite are also here. Therefore, 6 types of quadrilaterals are here, and also pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, decagon, so many concepts are here. Polygons. You can study about only polygons, the area of polygons. Then also circle is also plane surface. Area circle is also plane surface. The first one in the triangle, area of triangle, that is very easy. Therefore, area of triangle formula is triangle 1/2 into base into height. This is standard formula of area of triangle. In the quadrilateral, there are so many special quadrilaterals are here. First one is square is there. Square. Next one is rectangle is the rectangle. Next parallelogram is the parallelogram. Next one is trapezium is the trapezium. Next diamond is the rhombus. Last one is kite. These are types of quadrilaterals. You can study about only area of polygons, area of triangle. Consider A, B, C is a triangle. Find the area of triangle. The formula is 1/2 into base into height. Base is BC. Height is, you can take the perpendicular height to the triangle ABC. Consider the height. This is the height. This is perpendicular height. Consider this is height. Okay. Next formula is area of square. Area of square formula. Area of square is equal to, what is the area of square? Only one time is that area square is equal to formula. Into square, consider A, B, C, D. ABC is a square. The characters of square is all sides are equal and each angle at 90 degree. Therefore, all sides are equal. Consider A. Length is A. Therefore, when the all sides are equal in the square or quadrilaterals, we can consider the area of square is equal to only side into side. One side is A and the side is A. Therefore, A into A is A square is the area of square. Next one is what? Area of rectangle. Area of rectangle formula. Area of rectangle is considered again the second quadrilaterals. Consider A, B, C. ABC is a quadrilateral, but this quadrilateral name is rectangle. What are the characters of rectangle? In the rectangle, opposite sides are equal and each angles at 90 degree. Okay, opposite sides are equal is that, but opposite sides are, one side is length, one side is breadth. Therefore, area of rectangle is length into breadth. length. Area of rectangular form is only length into breadth. Next one is what? Area of parallelogram. Parallelogram. Area of parallelogram. This is also what area of quadrilateral is the. This is quadrilateral. This name is parallelogram. But in the parallelogram characteristics, opposite sides are equal, but not each angle is 90 degree. Only opposite angles are equal, opposite sides are equal. This is parallelogram. But you can write the area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram is only very easy. Base into height. Base into height. That is base. Consider A, B, C. B is a parallelogram. Consider base is BC, otherwise base is A. You can choose any one. You can write height is, that is perpendicular height. Construct perpendicular height. This line perpendicular height. This is E. This is perpendicular. AD is perpendicular height. BC is base. Therefore, area of parallelogram formula is base into height. Is the base into height. Next, trapezium is the trapezium area. Area of trapezium. Trapezium is equal to 1 by 2 into h into a plus b. 1 by 2 into h into a plus b. H is, you can write the perpendicular height in the trapezium. You can take two heights are here. You can consider any one height. Consider A, B, C, D is the one trapezium. Consider E and F. AF is perpendicular height. AF is going to be about the same as it is. Therefore, this is perpendicular height. Consider A. AB means one side. A. And DC means another side. That is, side is B. B side. Therefore, this formula is 1 by 3 into H into A plus B. A plus B. A and B are two sides of the trapezium. And also, in the rhombus, the diagonals are perpendicularly, and also in the rhombus, all sides are equal, but all angles are not 90 degree. Okay, the rhombus formula is area. Rhombus or diamond. Diamond is equal to which one? 1 by 2 into d1 into d2. d1 into d2 is that. 1 by 2 into d1 into d2. That is area of rhombus or otherwise diamond. Okay, these all are formulas are here. Next, you can study about some examples of formula. Okay, area of triangle, area of rectangle, area of square, area of parallelogram, area of rhombus, area of trapezium are over, and also circle also here. Circle, area of circle also here. Therefore, area of circle is equal to area of circle is equal to formula is only 5r square. 5r square is the. You can take on example 0 4. Consider A. OA is the radius R. Radius R is the. Consider the area of circle is equal to 5r square. And also we can study about only area of triangle, area of quadrilateral, and area of circle. What about next one? Area of polygon. In the polygon means pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon. This is also here. Consider one pentagon. Find out the area of pentagon. This right is find out the area. Again, you can contain this right. Pentagon is the find out the area. This pentagon is the area is the sum of the area of triangle plus area quadrilateral. Consider therefore A, B, C, D is what it? ABCD is a pentagon. Find the area of pentagon. Okay, you can draw one diagonal, and diagonal is BE. B diagonal is the okay. In the given figure, two parts are here. Two parts are here. You can find out the area of AB, area of pentagon. First one is area of triangle. Area of triangle plus. Second part is area of quadrilateral. Otherwise, area of rectangle. Area of rectangle. This line also here. You can solve area of pentagon by this line. One portion and second portion. Otherwise, this line also here. A pentagon is over. Next one is hexagon. Find out the area of hexagon. Again, you can study about this line. This hexagon is divided into two methods. First method is you can take A, B, C, D, E, F. This is one of the hexagon. You can solve this line. Construct BF is one diagonal and also EC is one diagonal. One part, second part, third part. In the given figure, three parts are here. Therefore, area of hexagon is equal to how many parts are here? Three parts are here. First part is triangle, second part is square or otherwise rectangle. Next, depend upon our diagram. Third one is triangle. Therefore, area of triangle 1 plus area rectangle plus area triangle 2. This is one method. But another method is what? Therefore, area hexagon is equal to only two parts are here. Only two parts is like here. We can draw the diagonal AD diagonal. Only two parts are here. First part and second part. These two parts are only trapezium. Therefore, first trapezium. Area of trapezium 1 plus area of trapezium 2. Area of one and area 2. You can choose any one method. This method or this method in your hexagon. Other same this like also in your heptagon, decagon also here. This like also no problem. Next one is what? You can solve the all polygons by some examples. Example 1. In a triangle, base is 5 centimeter and height is 8 centimeters. Find the area. First question in your triangle only. Next one is what? In your square. Example 2. In a square, otherwise side of a square is 7 centimeter. Find the area. Next, third example. Length is 10 centimeter and breadth is 7 centimeter. Find the area of rectangle. area of rectangle. Area of rectangle. Okay, solve these two examples. Very simple questions are here. First question is one, very easy. Area of triangle. Area of triangle first of all, therefore area of triangle is equal to, formula is 1 by 2 into base into height. Put the value, therefore 1 by 2 into base is given, that is 5. Base is 5. Next, height is 8 meter. Next simplification, otherwise this I will say 8 centimeter into 8 centimeter units. 2 ones are 2 4s I cancel. Next, therefore centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. Centimeter square is therefore centimeter square. Next, 5 4s are 20. Therefore area of triangle is 20 centimeter square. This is only area of triangle. Next question is, in the square is there, in the square solution is also very easy. Is the area of square formula. Area of square is equal to, formula is only side into side. Only side into side, a into a. Therefore side is given, that is 7 centimeters. Therefore 7 centimeter into 7 centimeter. Therefore 7 sevens are 49 centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square or square centimeter. Therefore area of square is 49 centimeter square is the. What about next? Third question. In the rectangle is the length is given 10 centimeter and breadth is given 7 centimeter. We can find out the area of rectangle. Therefore formula is area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Area of rectangle length into breadth is the. Therefore given value length is 10 centimeter and breadth is 7 centimeter. Simplification. 10 sevens are 70 centimeter square. Got it? Just like some questions are here, only very basic questions. Next examples are on our parallelogram, rhombus and trapezoid are here, and also pentagon or polygon are here. One question, very easy questions. Only find the area. Example number 4. Base of the polygon for parallelogram. Parallelogram is 18 centimeter and height is 5 centimeter. Otherwise 9 centimeter. Find the area. This question is in the parallelogram. Solution is find the area of parallelogram. Therefore area of parallelogram is equal to, only formula is base into height. Therefore the base is given and height is also given. Base of the parallelogram is 18 centimeter and height is 9 centimeter. Got it? Next simplification. Centimeter to centimeter, centimeter square. Next, 9 8s are 72. Next, 9 ones are 9. Remaining 6 is the 60. 162 centimeter square is the area of parallelogram. Okay, this is only based on the parallelogram. Next some questions are here, and also this is questions also here. Area of parallelogram is given and height is given. You can find out the base. Otherwise, area is given, height is given. You can find out the base. This like questions also arise in your exercise also, no problem. Next questions are in your trapezium as well as rhombus. Rhombus are here. Some questions. Example 5. The area of a trapezium. Trapezium shaped field is 480 meters square. The distance between two sides, two parallel sides is 15 meter, and one of the parallel side is 20 meter. Find other parallel sides. Second question. The area of rhombus. Rhombus is 240 centimeter square, and one of the diagonal is 16 centimeter. Find the other diagonal. Okay, in the question, this question is based on the trapezium okay, you know what the area of trapezium formula. Therefore, area of trapezium is equal to, formula is what? 1/2 into the height into bracket of a plus b. This is your formula. But in this question, area of trapezium is given, and also height is also given. One side of trapezium also given, but you can find out the another parallel sides. Therefore, area of trapezium is given. Therefore, area of trapezium is 480 meters square is equal to 1/2 into base. Sorry, height. Height is the distance between two parallel lines. These two are parallel lines. This is trapezium. ABC is a trapezium. AB and BC distance is how much is the 15 meters. A is given 20 meter. A is given 20 meter. You can find out the DC. Okay. Therefore, H is 15 meter. Next bracket of A plus B. A means one side is 20 centimeters. That 20 plus B is considered X. Unknown is considered X. Next, therefore simplification. You can take 2 in this side. 480 in 18 meters square into 2 is equal to 15 meter into bracket of 20 plus X. This also 20 meter is the 20 meter. Next simplification is what? 2 into 480 is what? Therefore 0. 2 8 is 16. 2 4 is 8. 9 is the meter square. Divides you can take between this and 15 meter is equal to 20 meter plus X. Next simplification. 1 meter cancel. 1 meter cancel. Next cancellation is the 15 ones are 15, 4s are 15, 6s are 15, 6s are 90, remaining 15 4s are 64. 64 meter is equal to 20 meter plus x. Therefore our x value is 64 meter minus 20 meter. Therefore x value is only 44 meters. Only 44. Therefore x means another or other parallel lines. Parallel side is equal to 44 meter. 44 meter. This is your solution in the traffic jam. Next one same as it is in your rhombus. Rhombus is this like rhombus is the therefore in the rhombus consider A, B, C, D is a rhombus. Diagonals are given AC diagonal and BD diagonal. Only one diagonal is given. Area of rhombus is given. Find out the another diagonal. Therefore, solution. The formula of area of rhombus. Area of rhombus. Rhombus is equal to formula is only 1 by 2 into d1 into d2. d1 means diagonal 1, d2 means diagonal 2. Therefore, in the given question, area of rhombus is given 240 centimeter square is equal to 1 by 2 into first diagonal. How much is that? Only 16 centimeter is the 16 centimeter. Diagonal 2 is don't know. That is considered unknown value. Consider x. Next simplification. Therefore, 2 ones are 2 8 are 16. Next you can take 240 centimeter squares divides. You can take 8 centimeter this side and is divided by 8 centimeter is equal to x. Next simplification. Centimeter cancel. Next 8. 8 ones are 8 threes are 24. 1 0 is the therefore 30 centimeter is equal to x. Therefore another diagonal is equal to 30 centimeter. This is your answer. 30 centimeter. Got it? You can write this as questions are here in the trapezium diagonal. Trapezium area is 1 by 2 at height a plus b. Rhombus means that is area of rhombus is equal to 1 by 2 d1 into d2 is the same this like also here. Next one, some area of polygons are here. Check for some examples. Okay, last remaining 2 examples are here. Next in the 7th examples, some special coordinates. Special coordinates means that is name is different is the no name. That is randomly only simple quadrilateral is that. Find out the area of this quadrilateral. Okay. PQRS is a quadrilateral, but name is not a square, not a rectangle, not a parallel, not anyone. You can only construct a quadrilateral. Find the area. First, we can take the one diagonal Q1, QS. Then diagonal is 5.5 centimeters. Next, we can take in the two triangles are here. In the two triangles, that is perpendicular height is given. Okay, therefore, the solution only simple quadrilaterals. Area of quadrilateral is equal to quadrilateral. Area of quadrilateral is equal to area of triangle 1, area of triangle 2, second triangle and first triangle. Area of triangle 1 plus area of triangle 2. You can find out this like also here. Therefore, first one, area of triangle formula is what? 1 by 2 into base. Base is that is QS. Base into height H1 plus again 1 by 2 into base into But two heights are different, but only one diagonal is there, that is given the same. Again, we can take these two formula. Which one is common? 1 by 2 is common. Base is of same common is the take outside. Therefore, 1 by 2 into base into the root of h1 plus h2. Okay, put the value. Put the value is 1 by 2 into base is 5.5 centimeter. 5.5 centimeter into the h 2.5 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter. 2.5 centimeter plus 1.5 centimeter. Next, therefore, 1 by 2 into 5.5 centimeter into 2.5 plus 1.5. Therefore, that is 4 centimeter. That is only 4 centimeter. Again, simplification. 2 ones are 2 twos are 4. Therefore, next 5.5 centimeter into 2 centimeter. Therefore, simplification is 1. 2 5s are 10 0. Again, 2 5s are 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 centimeter. Only 11 centimeter square. Therefore, area of this quadrant is only 11 centimeter. 11.0 also same as 11 centimeter square. When you are this is directly quadrant area quadrant. And also next question is in the polygon hexagon is this is one hexagon. This example is divided into two types is also no problem. The one is divided into this like one part, second part, three parts also here. Otherwise this like two parts. That method is what? Some special names are here. Amongst methods and rhythm methods are here. No problem. We can find out the area of hexagon solution. Area of hexagon. Hexagon is equal to hexagon. You can find out. First of all, area of 1 plus area of 2, area of 3. Therefore, is equal to area of 1 plus area 2 plus 3. Area 1 is triangle. Area 1 is triangle. 1 by 2 into base into height. 1 by 2 into base into height. Plus these two triangles are same as it is. Plus in order between this is 11 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter minus 11 minus 5 is what? 6 is there. This height is 3. This height is 3 is there. Therefore 5. Next this is 8 is there. 8 centimeters is there. Therefore, height is rectangle is the length into breadth is the plus. This is same as it is 1 by 2 into base into height. Next simplification. 1 by 2. Base is what? Triangle base is only that is what? 8 is the 8 centimeters into height 3 centimeters plus length into breadth. Length is 8 centimeters. Length is 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter. Breadth is 5 centimeters plus. Next again same as it is 1 by 2 into base into height. Next multiplication. 2 ones are 2 fours are 4 threes are 12 plus 8 fives are 40 plus again 2 ones are 2 2 fours are 12. Therefore these two area is what? 64 centimeters square. The area of hexagon is 64 centimeters square. Is this is one method. Otherwise, another method is also only two parts are here. Two parts. This like two parts. Only two parts. Consider this height is what? This is 5 centimeter and this one is what? Total height is what? 11 centimeters. 11 centimeter. Next one is what? First part and second parts. Next, the distance between This is 8 centimeter and this one is 4. This also 4 is there. Therefore, area of hexagon is equal to area of first part and second part. Area of first and area of two. These two are trapeziums are here. Trapezium. Therefore, these two diagrams are same as it is. Therefore, trapezium formula is 1 by 2 into h into the bracket of a plus b. Again same as it is 1 by 2 into h into a plus b. Same as it is 2 into 1 by 2 into h into a plus b. Simplification. 2 to cancel. H is 4 centimeters. 4 into one side is a means one side that is 11 plus another side is 5 is the 5. Therefore 4 into 60 is equal to 460 the 64 centimeters square. Again 64 centimeters square. This square is also 64 centimeters. Okay, in the hexagon there are two methods are here. You can choose any one method. Find out the area of hexagon. Got it? This like the examples are here. Practice more example homework. I shall continue next class.